Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and it is the brand new The Trending Edit from Cult Beauty. This was released yesterday, it cost £38, it has a value of £127 and it contains 8 TikTok, Instagram trending beauty products. These boxes tend to sell out really fast. I've just checked before filming and it is still available. You'll find a link to the box down below in my description, as well as any offers Cult Beauty currently have and also my other discount codes and offers. You'll find it all down there if you want to take a look. So yes, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. It says, from your feed to your beauty bag, we've handpicked 8 of the most buzzworthy products to take over social media so far in 2023. Discover top trending essentials from TikTok to hyped up formulas seen across Instagram. This year's hair, skin, body and makeup must-haves are right here and ready to go viral. Give you a sneak peek first, and I've just noticed something. There's a QR code. Now normally there's no information in the booklet about the products. All the products obviously can be bought on the Cult Beauty website, so if you want to learn more information then you can do so that way. But let's see what the QR code says. Oh, it just says, sorry we couldn't find any results matching. Never mind. Starting off with a product I haven't tried before. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex, but it is chocolate. It's their iconic mascara, full size, but it's in chocolate. I have never tried this before. Oh, I can't wait. I love the formula, so I know I'm going to love it. But yeah, look. It's a really lovely wand to really lift, lengthen, thicken up your lashes. I've got nightmare lashes. They're really short and straight and oh, I just don't like them at all. Why I wear falsies nearly all the time. But I am quite fussy with my mascaras and I do love this one. So yeah, a nice brown one. I think that'd be quite nice for more of a neutral, especially the latte makeup or the pumpkin spice makeup trends we're seeing at the moment. I can't wait to start doing more autumnal type eye looks. Yeah, really happy with that. Next up we got a product from Sol de Janeiro and it's not the Bum Bum Cream. This is Rio Radiance and is 30 mils there. And the writing on the back. Ooh! A solar scent that combines clean white florals, creamy coconut milk and the warmth of sun on the sand. Oh, I love this one. I love this one. Oh, it is so nice. So nice. Yeah, I think this is my favourite scent from the Sol de Janeiro range. It is beautiful. Really beautiful. I like that. Okay, next up we've got the Glow Recipe. This is a little mini watermelon glow pink juice moisturiser, hydrating and soothing, and there's 25 mils there. I love the packaging. It is so cute, isn't it? Really cute. I'm not going to open this up. Normally I test everything, but you know it's going to be a liquid that I blend into my hand and it absorbs. But no, I have actually got another one of these and I haven't used it yet. I really like this brand and I don't want to waste it basically. So it says, this oil-free daily moisturiser delivers juicy hydration for a long-lasting lit from within glow, formulated with hydrating hyaluronic acid, antioxidant-rich watermelon and a soothing blend of jasmine and peony extract to brighten and prep the skin for the day ahead. Got a moisturiser. Next up we've got Charlotte Tilbury. This is Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. How much we got here? We've got 15 mils. I got the full size version of this. It's an okay spray. I wouldn't say it's a wow spray, but it's a nice spray. I love that it's a little mini though. That looks just so cute. Handy to take away with me. It's a nice spray, but I wouldn't say it's my number one then. Next up, add into my collection. This is LANEIGE. This is a lip mask. And this is Berry. Oh, I've already got this one. And there's 8 grams in here. This is like a little mini version. It's so oh yeah, the little mini version doesn't come with a cute little envelope with the applicator in it. So you can like gouge it out. Yeah, so it's still a nice size because you only need a tiny bit and it'll last you a long time. Oh, so lovely. I have got the full size version of this one. Oh, I've got a few now. I use them every single night. I just love it. Oh yeah, berries. It's to hydrate, nourish and soften. So we've got a lip mask treatment there. Next up we've got a really gorgeous packaged Elasticizer. This is by Kingsley, Carabao, Mango and Hibiscus Deep Conditioning Treatment, and there's 150 mils there. It's beautiful, isn't it? Really pretty packaging. It's got a little hat. See? Little hat. It says, before shampooing, thoroughly wet hair and applying sections, work into hair with fingertips, cover with a shower cap and leave for 10 to 20 minutes. The longer, the better. Rinse well and follow with the appropriate Philip Kingsley shampoo, conditioner and scalp toner. Finer hair textures should double shampoo to remove all the product. For best results, use at least once a week. I haven't tried this one before. Woo! I have tried the Elasticizer many times and it's a nice treatment, but again, it's not a wow product for me. It just doesn't do anything for my hair. But I just wanted to sniff that. Very subtle. What is it supposed to be? Yeah, I can't smell a mango. Very slightly I can. The lid landed on the carpet, wrong side up, and now I've got a load of cream on the carpet. Oh, how annoying. I'm in a right mess. Right, so we've got Elasticizer Therapies by Philip Kingsley, a deep conditioning hair treatment. Next up, we got something else for your hair. This is by Living Proof. This is Triple Bond Complex. It's a hair strengthener and there's 15 mils there. Ooh, fancy packaging. Triple Bond Complex is a weekly one-step treatment scientifically proven to make hair 8 times stronger and more resistant to future damage after just one use. Well, this has come at the right time. Yesterday I took my tape-in hair extensions out of my hair. It's the worst ever removal I've ever done. It's because my hair is oilier. It's a long story, but yeah, my skin is oilier, my scalp is oilier. I don't want to wash my hair every single day, so then I was getting an oily scalp, trying to use dry shampoo in between just to help it. But the oil in my scalp was making the tapes sticky. So it's really sticky, so the glue, you can actually touch the tapes and it'll be really sticky, which I've never experienced before, which is awful. It's horrible. So anyway, to cut a long story short, it took me 2.5 hours to get them out gently, and then my hair was all matted because I had clumps of glue in it. From the top of my ears around, fine. This is all okay, it's no problem there. It's the underneath. And for that reason I can't weigh my hair down anymore because it looks like I've had a chunk taken out the back because my hair is so thin. So I'm going to have to cut it. I'm going to have to cut it into a bob. I am gutted. It's my own fault. I know tape-in hair extensions aren't great. I know it. I know it. So this has come at the right time. Apply a small amount to clean dry hair, comb through and leave for 10 minutes. So it's a triple bond complex. The only way to get rid of all the glue yesterday was to use rosemary hair oil by Hair Syrup. Saturated my hair. It was dripping all down my face and everywhere. And then today I did a Living Proof intensive treatment mask. I left it on for about an hour, something like that. So I just gotta get it back to health, give it a really good trim and steer away from tape extensions until I can control my oily scalp. Right, last item in the box, and we got the Outset Restorative Niacinamide Night Cream. There's 7.5 mils there. It just says reset, rejuvenate and smooth. After cleansing, apply directly to the face and neck before bed. Yeah, I haven't tried anything from the Outset. I don't think so anyway. I don't think so. It doesn't ring a bell. So there you go, those are all the products in the Trending Edit Beauty Box, the latest limited edition from Cult Beauty. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we got the chocolate Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. We got the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. We got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Moisturiser. We got the Sol de Janeiro Body Spray in Rio Radiance. We got a Berries Lip Treatment Mask by LANEIGE, or Lip Sleeping Mask I should say. We got Living Proof Triple Bond Complex, a hair treatment, and another treatment. Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Therapies, a deep conditioning treatment. Cult Beauty always do amazing boxes. I get really excited when they do a release, and this one I think is really good as well. It's really great value for money, and there's products here that I will use, and there's products that I already love as well. I'd love to hear your thoughts though. What do you think of it? Did you go for it, or are you thinking, I'm not sure what to do? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.